Hi guys! I have another unboxing from Babyland today. I'm so excited. So yeah, of course ordering 4 last time somehow wasn't enough, and I decided I needed some other things, some other babies in my collection to round it out, some things that I don't have yet. So I ordered, let's say, a few more possibly. I needed a Lully, I needed a newborn, I didn't have a preemie. I have, you know, I have preemies and newborns in the vintage soft sculptures, but not in the newer modern ones. So let's get it out of my system, right? With the ones that I don't have. Apologize for my cockatiel Sydney upstairs. He is chirping because I separated him from the female, because she keeps laying eggs and she like almost dies from it when this happens. And so I am trying to keep them apart right now, and he just keeps calling for her all day. And while I'm teaching Zoom classes, not the greatest thing. So I'm definitely using the noise canceling headphones. And of course I'm about to go into class, and my packages always seem to get delivered right before that. Oh my gosh, guys, I see the bag. I think this is the girl. Wait, where's this the boy? This might be the boy. I think this is the boy. I can't remember. I got a girl preemie, boy newborn, or it might have been reversed. I'm getting so confused. But here, oh, I see pink. It's a girl. All right, we've got the bag right here. Okay. Here she comes, guys. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness, look at that face. I went with the Asian eyes this time. She's just the cutest thing. I went with dimples. I decided not to do the freckles this time, and no earrings. I debated. I don't know if you can even do them for sure for newborns, but I decided not to do the earrings because I just thought I wouldn't pierce my newborn's ears immediately. So yeah, I don't know. That's the things that you think about. Like it's a real baby, but you know, closest thing to it when you're not having any babies anymore. So look how cute. Look how cute she is. And her name, I believe I named her Penelope Jade. And she can't see yet. She's just a baby. All right, let me take a look, guys. I'm gonna lay her down gently. Take a look at these papers. Oh, I forgot to show these in my unboxing last time from Babyland. All right, I'll cover up my little address there, but look, there it is. Penelope Jade. Oh, I gave her the birthday March 19th. I lost my pug of 14, both of my pugs of 14 years in 2020, and the female one, her name was Penny, and her birthday was March 19th. Again, let me give you another view of this cutie. She's so adorable. And then I have some more unboxing to do of some other Cabbie mail, but here she is. Isn't she the cutest thing? Bye, guys. See you next time.